In this video, I'll show you how to fix any issues with OneDrive not syncing on your computer. So there's a couple of ways to fix this. The first solution is to head down in your taskbar and you need to right click on the OneDrive, click on the settings icon in the top right hand side, and then just press quit OneDrive. Then just click on close OneDrive and then head over to your start menu, search for OneDrive and then open it up like so. Now sometimes just that simple fix can solve the issue. If it's still not working, what we're going to do is once again click on OneDrive in the taskbar, click on the settings icon, click on settings. From the left hand navigation, select account, click on choose folders, and make sure this box here at the top is ticked make all files available, and then go and press OK. Then once again you can check to see if that's fixed your syncing issue. Now if that's not working, what you'll need to do is enter these commands into your computer. Now there's 3 different commands here, so you can try each one, and this is basically just going to reset the OneDrive. So what I'm going to do is copy this first command at the top here by right clicking and pressing copy, and I'll leave these in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste these. Then head over to your start menu and search for run, and then click on the run icon. Now just go and paste that command inside of here and hit enter, and if you get this error message, then you're going to need to try the second command. So I'm just going to come and copy this, and we're now going to paste this inside the window and hit enter, and if that runs successfully, it should pop up with your OneDrive like this, and then you can now go and check to see if the syncing issue has been fixed. So as you can see here, my files are now ready to be synced, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.